Hey guys, every week I draw a new anime boy and upload the drawing process to YouTube. I know you have been asking me for tutorials of how to draw a hot anime boy, and I have them ready for you in the description. The beginner level tutorials will show you how to draw the outlines step by step, no matter you want to draw a front face, a side view face, or 3/4 view face. The intermediate and advanced level tutorials will not only tell you how to sketch the outline, but also show you how to color the anime characters by adding shadows and lighting. Please take a look of these two tutorial playlists, and if you have any questions, please ask me in the comment. Don't forget to like the video or subscribe to my channel. Have a nice day. Bye.